In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wish list to your Shopify store easily and quickly. A wishlist feature helps customers save products they're interested in, which can improve engagement and increase sales. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Settings. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Now click on Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search bar type Wishlist. From the search results, choose a wishlist app such as Swim Wishlist Plus. Open the app page and click Install. You may be asked to confirm permissions, so click Install again to continue. After the app is installed, go back to your Shopify admin dashboard and open the app from your Apps section. Now, follow the setup instructions provided by the app. Keep clicking Next Step until the setup is complete. If the app asks you to choose a pricing plan, you can select the free plan to get started. Once the setup is finished, make sure the wishlist feature is enabled and click Save. To test it, open your online store and visit any product page. You should now see an Add to Wishlist button available for customers. That's it. You've successfully added a wishlist feature to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.